Breakfast time. What have you got then?
The pancakes smelt really yeasty and there was no bananas left, so I've got egg noodles and it's kind of just a Superman noodle that's like just plonked in there. Yeah, I need to actually wait for it to physically cook.
Mmm, yummy.
You know, like when you go to a restaurant and like you get that hot plate out and you can cook your own meat, I feel like that's just what I'm doing, but with noodles.
Final day and we have just set off. Hopefully you can hear this. Hopefully you can hear this. And yeah, so we're heading back to Ha Giang now, and then we're catching a bus to Sapa. So we will get some footage along the way, and yeah.
Tom! We're so glad that we did 4 days because I feel like it would have been cut really, really short, but it's been amazing! So now we're just making our way back. I don't know what time it is actually. It's currently, 10 o'clock. It's 10 o'clock. And I think it takes about 2.5 hours to get back, but oh my god, that's literally like a butcher's on the side of the road. Yeah, it takes about 2.5 hours to get back, but then like with stops and lunch and everything, we'll probably be back for around 5 p.m. and then we have a bus to Sapa at 8 p.m. and then don't arrive in Sapa till 2. So we've got a long day and night, but yeah. You should see how Jacob is holding it. He's got his GoPro strapped onto his helmet and he's literally just holding his helmet like this. Second stop of the day. We haven't actually been driving that long, but I think we're going back on ourselves because we came through here last night, but hopefully we don't go back on the awful road that you would have seen like at the start of this video, because it was shut.
20% go. Look, it's a video.
Oh, wagwan.
Hi mum.
Hi mom. Not got a lot of fuel. I don't know how we're still going.
finished lunch and we're now heading back to Ha Giang.
Ooh. Why do they have humps on their back? Hi, cow. Oh, look at that one on the side galloping. He can't keep up with them. Wow. We turn the camera around now. You can get my facial expressions when we go down like bumpy roads and stuff.
There's no bumpy road now.
When we go around tight corners and stuff, you can see everyone else actually. Ah, can't see. You might hear a lot of singing because we don't have a radio, so.
Top button.
What?
You only have to press the top button.
said let me get off and you started going forward.
$18 kilometres to go. Chloe's burning.
Can you see it?
No.
I don't think it's too bad, but the sun has come out to play.
So we're now on our sleeper bus to our next destination. We hope that you enjoyed this video.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Click the big old juicy red button. And we'll see you in the next one.